All right, man. All right, who we got? Who we got?
We got this man D, Derek, KJ,
Kahari.
And as you could tell, we all got some matching shirts on. So tell us about it.
Yeah, this Bay Rider Water Sports, baby. You know what I'm saying?
You're at the Tampa Sandbox, and that's home of Bay Rider Water Sports. All right. So we're your premier water sports rental and tour guides out here. We do jet skis, kayaks, and paddle boards.
Now, what's 3 important things to keep in mind when throwing an event like this and putting everything together on a day like today?
Safety.
Safety? Oh, yeah, definitely. Safety's first. You want to keep everybody safe. But you want to have some, you want to have a variety. So we got vendors, we have food, kids running around. We have, if the weather permitted or people wanted to, they could go jet skiing, they can go kayaking. You have massage right here on the water.
I'm Laura. Hi.
Okay, she's the masseuse on the water. We got a dope scene out here.
Thank you.
We just want to make a little something unique, something new, and kind of give back.
And we appreciate you having us today.
Oh yeah.
Hey man,
Shout out
dope
to
spot.
them big boy fishermen, man. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
Them big boy reels. We appreciate FWC, Hillsborough County, EPC,
Shout out to
TPA.
Yamaha. That's the
Shout
best
out to
jet ski
Yamaha,
you can
know
get
what I'm
right
saying?
there, baby.
Bay Rider Water Sports. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. All right, man. Who we got?
What up, what up? My name is Rob. I go by Wares. I'm a DJ. Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man.
Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man, slinging webs, spinning tracks. We're out here in Tampa, Florida. Are you from the area? Are you local transplant?
Yes, sir. I'm born and raised.
What's going on with this event? How'd you get connected with these guys?
Yeah, so this is actually some close friends of ours, Ronnie Lopez, and we got Bobby as well. They're the Cajual Groovers. Also some pretty hot local DJs. I mean, they've been around for a minute. I mean, they're an incredible vibe. They'll actually be on here in probably like 20 minutes or so, but they're throwing this event. It's called Cajual Sessions. I believe it's their first edition, but it's dope, man. I mean, they just told us, look, we stumbled upon this place. It's beautiful. It's on the water. It's the perfect time of year. And, we already got the collective together, so the music is nice. Should be nice all day long. I just want to congratulate Lionel Messi for stamping the approval. He is the GOAT. There is no question of it. And if he was a DJ, he'd probably be a GOAT at that too.
If you were a FIFA star, you're a FIFA player, what's your overall and why?
I'll say 97, 98.
And what's keeping you from being a 99?
I don't know. I think I like music and money more.
Who we got?
Yo, what's good? It's NOTAR. How you doing?
You just got off the sticks, just got off the decks, the mix is smooth. What are you spinning, bro?
Dude, I mean, lately we spent a lot of minimal. I mean, minimal tech house is kind of the main theme. It's not as aggressive. It's just, it's music for everybody, which is why we kind of made it open to families and stuff. These free events are about the culture, and it's nice seeing people that you wouldn't normally see come to an event like this.
How long have you been into this, and what drew you in the beginning?
I don't know, dude. I've always just had a passion for music, and I don't know. There's kids that are capable of gravitating towards it, and just taking it to the next level really just requires a little bit of money and dedication. And I got into it right around COVID, so I've been spinning for like the last probably 3.5 years or so. I started mixing on an XDJ RX2, which is actually what I still have. It's just like a lower budget option rather than getting CDJs to start.
And what you sipping on, bro?
A classic Modelo.
It's Modelo time. He's been holding this thing for the last 30 minutes. About time he's finished with it. We really appreciate you spinning, support the vibes.
I hope to see you guys more around. I mean, we're going to continue doing events like this. We're going to stop all over St. Petersburg and Tampa, so you'll definitely see us around.
All right, y'all. Who we got?
This is Ronnie Lopez from Cajual Groovers.
I'm Elise. I'm with Radiant Wellness Events.
And where are we at right now?
So we're at Cajual Sessions. This was our first inaugural event here in Town and Country. Our vision was to bring art, live art, workshops, and music, and a beautiful setting all in one, with a community-focused intention.
Of course. Really. And they decided on a free event today, brought everybody together, and everybody's really been enjoying themselves today. And where do you play into this?
So I curated all of the artists that came in and vended their unique art with the community.
And what can we expect from you guys in the future?
To be honest, we went into this one with no future plans. You know, we really wanted to see how this was going to go. But with the way today went, I definitely expect like more events in the future.
We appreciate you having us here tonight.
Yeah, thanks for coming.
Great day. No, honestly, really fun day.
That was dope.
And we'll see you guys next time. But thank you so much.
Yes.
And any special shout outs for the end? Anybody that you want to give a round of applause
Shout
to?
out Tomorrow's Vibes.
Yeah, shout out to Danielle, shout out to Anna. Who can I see? Like, shout out to Sarah, Julia,
Anna.
everybody who showed up.
Kahari, the actual venue owners.
Yes.
Kahari, Bay Riders Water Sports.
The real shit with manatees, they not even Florida natives. Manatees was brought here from another country in Florida, but they protect them like they native of Florida species, which is some bullshit.